Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samyal. Today we are going to see a dessert recipe which we are going to do with fresh strawberry. It's called strawberry cobbler. So the ingredients I have kept it ready. We will just quickly get into the cooking part. See, I have kept the strawberry around 6 to 7 strawberry fruit. What we have to do is, in that we have to add little bit of sugar and just marinate it for 2-3 minutes until it becomes very mashy with that sugar and all. No, it will become mashy. I am using here brown sugar. If you want to use the normal sugar, it's up to your you like convenience. You can use it, but I am using brown sugar because I'm using brown sugar for all my the day-to-day activities. So I'm just using the brown sugar here. Now I'm adding half cup of all-purpose flour into a clean bowl and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and bit of salt. That's it. Sieve it well. That's it. Okay, along with this, add sugar. Again, I'm adding brown sugar here. For a half cup of all-purpose flour, I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it well. Mix it well. Yeah, it's mixed well now. Add half cup of milk to it. Okay, even the lumps is there, it's okay, but even if you just keep on stirring it, you will not find any more lumps. We have to add melted butter. I'll bring the melted butter now. Okay, now the sugar is also melted. I'm adding in the butter. Just mix it well. Little bit of vanilla essence. That's it. So now we have in this bowl we have put flour, all-purpose flour, along with a little salt, sugar, baking powder, then butter and vanilla essence. We will mix it nicely and I'll show you. Okay, the mixture is ready now. It's ready to get into the oven. I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees. So I'll just pour this in. I've kept 2 molds ready. Tap it. Okay, I have poured in everything into the bowl. Add the strawberry with the sugar syrup on the top. No need to mix it, just put it on the top, that's enough. I'm going to keep this in microwave for 30 minutes at around 200 degree. It's already, as I told you, it's preheated. So once it's ready, I'll just show you. I don't want to waste this sugar syrup also, so I'm adding in. Okay. Yes friends, exactly after 30 minutes, see, it's just, you know, it's coming out of the tray, you can see it. Yes, let it cool for some time. Our strawberry cobbler is ready. It's you can use it as a dessert, like you can take it hot, or you can refrigerate and use it as a chilled dessert also, along with ice cream. So if you like this recipe, please share, like and subscribe to our channel, Just Home Samyal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.